What's up, everybody? Hey, in this video, Lori, a traditional SMMA agency owner, wanted to know if selling SaaS services was the same thing or completely different than selling SMMA. So if you're looking at transitioning from a traditional SMMA agency model into the SaaS model, this video is for you. And by the way, if you want to participate in one of these Ask Me Anything meetings, go to www.uphex.com/classes. Let's go watch the video. I do think there is something to say for expectations and framing. But in general, if you sell somebody software and then you help them use the tool, however you achieve them using the tool, it's right. And there's not a way to do this. That's the other thing that really, I think, just online, we all get so, well, what is the way? There's not a way. There's not a way to sell software. There's just a way to sell stuff. And so you have to boil it down to what the core components are. So when you're talking about running content and things like that, that's a great idea, but why do you do it? The two things that are going to keep you from getting a sale at all, whether you do it automated or through a sales call, is trust and certainty of outcome. So if you throw content out there, this is going to throw people into your ecosystem, and you're going to have dynamic points of trust getting built over time. And then eventually that person is going to say, I would like to see what Lori's program is all about. They're going to be on the hot and cold spectrum. And some of them are going to be like hot. They're like, I want to skip the demo call and just sign up now. And then some of them are going to be like, hey, I'm just a person who's really protective of my wallet in the first place. I need to talk to somebody. So even though they're hot, they want to work with you. They need to talk to a person, and they need to get the sense that if I do business with Lori, I'm going to get the outcome. Okay. So just think about it like the bridge. It's a conversion bridge, and everybody is somewhere on the bridge, but everything has its purpose. I said, in terms of UpHex's content and all of that, I said, I will go onto YouTube and I will post a video every week for a year. If that does nothing, then I'm going to figure something else out for my audience. But I had to do one thing for me that I could just do consistently. And I did that. And it took me 10 months to get 100 subscribers. And then the following 10, I got 4,000. Okay. So it took some time. So it's not that you don't do it. It's just, why do you do it? Why do I do these meetings? Why do I engage in the group? I want to build a community, and I want you guys to feel like when you come to this, you can trust my answers because I'm telling them right to you. You can see that I know what I'm talking about. And hopefully we can skip some of the distractions and the BS that's out there. You can sell SaaS any way you want to. Just sell it your way. But you're going to have to solve all of the problems of, you need something that when they see it, it gets their attention. That means you created an offer or an idea that was unique to them. You need to create a promise of outcome of something that they want. You need to demonstrate your credibility, and then you need to ask for the sale in the right way. That's the offer. You do those things, those core 4 things, that's persuasion. You win.